Unlocking the mystery, SpaceX's Starship and the critical role of static fire tests. In the world of advanced rocket engineering, SpaceX is a tour de force. Their latest marvel? The Starship spacecraft. This ambitious project goes through rigorous safety checks. One essential aspect? The static fire tests, a spectacle of raw power. Static fire tests are essentially dress rehearsals, igniting Starship's engines while it remains stationary. It's a real test under controlled circumstances. These tests ensure engine reliability and performance. It's a pivotal step before any Starship undertakes its journey into the vast cosmos. But it's not always smooth sailing. Static fire tests often highlight issues requiring attention, proving their indispensable nature in pre-launch procedures. However, overcoming these hurdles is part of SpaceX's ethos. Their mantra, "Failure today ensures success tomorrow," especially in space exploration. So next time you witness a static fire test, remember, it's not just smoke and fire, it's the beating heart of SpaceX's Starship.